Okay, so for the tomatoes, we have Queen of the Night, Sun Gold, Bella Rosa, Orange Cherry Tomato, Oxheart Pink Tomato, Celebrity Tomato, San Marzano. Last but not least, the Black Strawberry Tomato. Now, as I mentioned before, seedlings are much bigger than the others. Same variety, planted the same day, given the same treatment in the same environment, and some for whatever reason grew a whole lot bigger than the other. So I'm going to show you an example of what I mean. These are San Marzano tomato plants. For whatever reason, this one is much bigger than this one. Planted the same day, same time, in the same seed tray. But for whatever reason, this one is much healthier and bigger than this one. Now, I prefer it to be about this size because they won't be planted for another 2 to 3 weeks. But for whatever reason, one is a lot bigger than the other. With this, it's okay because this gives me the chance to do succession planting, especially for the determinate tomatoes. Determinate tomatoes give you all your tomatoes at once for about 1 to 3 weeks. So I'll plant this out about March 28th, and then I'll give myself about 2 to 3 weeks, and then I'll plant this one in another spot. Okay, now that you've seen the types of tomatoes I've grown, now I'm going to show you the pepper varieties that I'm growing. Pepperoncini, yellow bell pepper, sweet red bell pepper, Anaheim pepper, purple bell pepper, jalapeno, and orange bell pepper. I also plan to grow a poblano pepper, but my poblano peppers, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but for some reason the growth of those seedlings have been stunted and they haven't grown past not even a whole inch. They germinated and then they just stopped. So I'm going to plant some more seeds, poblano seeds, tomorrow so that they can be ready when it's time to put them out in April. Same thing with the pepper plants. Some of them are huge and then some of them are small for whatever reason. But this allows me to succession plant. This will allow me to plant some peppers out in April, the first week of April, maybe April 1st. And then 2 weeks later, on April 15th, I'll put out more. So if I get any damage from aphids or anything of that nature, I'll have a backup. So now I'm going to tell you some other things that I'm growing, some of the flowers that I'm growing. I'm going to show you my eggplant seedlings. I was told that the eggplant takes a long time to grow.